This tutorial is a quick overview of the unique and extensive plugins offered by FCPeffects. And I've been a user and recommending their plugins for several years now. And I want to emphasize a further recommendation here, as the FCPeffects premises were devastated by the recent Hurricane Ian. They were located on the Sanibel Island in southwest Florida. I say were because the island was virtually wiped out by the hurricane. So please go out and buy their mega plugin pack. It's over 1900 plugins for just $97. This is a win-win situation, as you get one of the most extensive packs of plugins for just $97, and FCPeffects get the money to help in their recovery, and they promise to give 25% of their sales directly to the devastated Sanibel Island residents. To say that they include titles, effects and transitions is just not doing it justice. They include everything that you'd want to add to Final Cut Pro. And when I checked out the bundle installed on my Final Cut Pro, it was like a lucky dip of effects, more than I could have even imagined. There's wedding titles, opener titles, lower third packs, screen splitter transitions, zoom transitions, masking tools, animated titles, fisheye removal effects, vertical video solutions, and keyframe replacers, so you don't have to enter your own keyframes. This video is just an overview of what's in that bundle pack, and I'll be publishing over the next week or so tutorials on some of the effects that I use. The Keyframe Replacer series. Keyframes that are not possible in Final Cut, and it works on text and videos as well as pictures. And quick to use because of over 100 presets. You add it to the clip in the timeline and then add another preset to the text itself, so both of them are animated without keyframes. The attention grabber. Highlight the text or highlight just part of the video. Even zoom into that particular part. And print stagger to give you that unique slideshow effect. And flying clips, that is another style of slideshow. And for the YouTube people, the social media plugin. And finally, there's the screen splitter. Now this will let you add to the timeline as a transition between two clips, and then any extra clips are just a drop zone. It's a brilliant effect and so easy to use. And to add to all of that, the plugins are 100% compatible with Apple Silicon. So keep watching this series of tutorials, and to be notified, subscribe and make sure you press the bell. And don't you just love this plugin showing where to describe in YouTube? Brilliant again. Thanks for watching.